Good afternoon. This is Attorney Lourdes Casanova, the founder of Casanova Law, and this afternoon I would like to talk about traffic tickets. Most people believe that it's not a big deal. Oh, I'm just going to go pay the ticket. But in reality, when you pay the ticket, that is an automatic plea of guilty and an automatic conviction, which is also called an adjudication, and that goes on your driving record. And in many situations, you get points, which could affect your insurance, and it could ultimately suspend your license. So the first thing I want to talk about regarding traffic tickets is knowing what your deadline is to respond to the ticket. You have 30 days. So you have 30 days to either elect court or to plead guilty. And as we just talked about, pleading guilty right away is never the option, because when you go and pay your ticket at the clerk's office, you run the risk of receiving points. After you or your lawyer elect court, you go through a process through the court system. The first part of the process is you will receive a court date for your pre-trial hearing. The purpose of the pre-trial is to make any pre-trial motions to dismiss based on any procedural errors that you or your lawyer may find in the traffic citation. If the magistrate grants your motion to dismiss at the pre-trial hearing, your case ends right there, and your case is totally dismissed and nothing goes on your driving record. However, if the magistrate denies your motion to dismiss, then your case goes on to what's called a final hearing. You or your attorney should be prepared for the final hearing. One of two things can happen. You either resolve the case at the final hearing, or your attorney resolves the case by negotiating with the magistrate as well as the officer. On the other hand, you can choose, or your attorney can choose, to take the case to trial based on a belief that the officer or any other witness cannot prove the case against you beyond every reasonable doubt. At the conclusion of your final hearing, you will have your final result, and hopefully that final result will be no points or a not guilty. I hope this was helpful to you. Please stay tuned for more videos regarding traffic tickets and all the other matters that Casanova Law practices in, which are DUI, criminal defense, and immigration.